The ancient warriors, the ones whose bodies looked carved from stone, they trained by a different code. And today, I'm gonna teach you that code. 5 monsters, 5 metaphors, 5 rules that change everything. If you understand these, your body will grow, your joints will heal, your strength will explode, and your confidence will finally match your effort. Let's begin. The Minotaur, leg strength. The Minotaur, beast of the labyrinth, the immovable force. The Minotaur represents leg power because your legs are your foundation. When they are weak, your body collapses. When they are strong, everything rises. The movements: squats, feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly out, chest up, proud. Sit back into your hips like sitting in a throne. Knees track over toes. Drop until your hips break parallel. Drive through your heels. Stand like you're pushing the earth away. Lunges. Step forward with purpose. Drop the back knee toward the ground. Front knee stays over the ankle, never past the toes. Push through the front heel. Each leg becomes a pillar of stone. Loaded carries. Grab heavy weight. Farmer carry, goblet carry, suitcase carry. Walk 40 to 60 meters. Your legs learn to move under load. Your core learns to stabilize chaos. The law: foundation before force. The dose: 3 leg days a week, 4 to 6 compound moves per session. Focus on depth, not ego. Moderate weight, explosive intent. Control every rep like you're holding back an earthquake. The transformation: your legs root you like an oak. You walk heavier. You move slower, but with certainty. Your posture commands rooms. Your presence speaks before you do. Result: you stop looking powerful. You become undeniable. That's the Minotaur's gift. The iron statue, isometric holds. Now imagine a statue, stone, solid, immovable, eternal. The iron statue teaches the law of stillness under tension. Everyone can move weight, but few can command it. The positions: top of a push-up, hands directly under shoulders, body in a perfect plank, head to heels, arms locked, core braced like you're about to be struck. Hold 30 to 60 seconds. Don't collapse, don't breathe shallow. Command the position. Bottom of a squat, feet shoulder width, hips dropped low, below parallel, knees tracking over toes, chest up, back straight, like you're sitting in an invisible throne, forever. Hold 45 to 90 seconds. Dip lockout, at the top of parallel bars, arms fully extended, shoulders pressed down and back, body rigid as iron. Hold 20 to 40 seconds. The law: stillness is strength. The dose: 10 minutes of isometrics, 3 to 4 days per week, 15 to 45 seconds per hold, 3 to 5 holds per session. Breathe through the tension, control the shake. The transformation: your joints harden, your core becomes a steel frame, your brain learns to own tension, not fear it. The chaos quiets, your body obeys. Statues don't fall, because statues don't collapse. Result: you stop collapsing under pressure, in training and in life. That's the iron statue's lesson. The werewolf, grip strength. Now we wake the beast. The werewolf represents grip, because in nature, the creature with the strongest grip dominates. In the gym, your grip is your limiter. Your back can pull more, your legs can lift more, but your hands give out first. So we train them like a beast. The movements: farmer carries. Grab 2 heavy dumbbells or kettlebells, 1 in each hand. Stand tall, shoulders back. Walk 40 to 60 meters. Don't let them touch the ground. Your forearms will scream. Keep walking. This is the werewolf learning to hunt. Thick bar holds. Load a barbell heavy. Use fat grips if you have them. Deadlift to lockout. Hold it at the top. 40 to 60 seconds. Feel your hands transform into iron claws. Towel pull-ups. Throw a towel over the pull-up bar. Grab both ends. Pull yourself up. Your fingers will burn like you're gripping prey. This is the werewolf waking up. The law? Control comes from the hands. The dose? 2 to 3 grip sessions per week, 3 to 5 sets per movement. Train raw. No straps, no gloves. Embrace the burn. Let it build you. The transformation? Your forearms swell. Your veins rise like vines. Your nervous system sharpens. Your handshake changes perception. Your aggression sharpens into precision. Grip strength rewires your identity. When your hands are strong, you are strong. You don't just look powerful, you become powerful. Become the werewolf. Result? When your grip strengthens, your entire system upgrades. You stop letting go of weight or of goals. That's the werewolf's curse and its gift.
The mummy. Dead hangs. The mummy represents the dead hang. We sit, we scroll, we fold forward, shoulders cave, spine compresses. Gravity pulls us down all day, and a compressed body cannot grow. Your spine needs space, your shoulders need freedom. The setup. Grab a pull-up bar, palms forward, shoulder width. Release. Let your body hang, dead weight, arms straight, shoulders relaxed, feet off the ground, spine lengthens, shoulders unlock. The law. Decompression creates expansion. The dose. 60 to 120 seconds, 2 to 3 sets daily. Start shorter if needed. Relax completely. The transformation. Spine realigns, shoulders open, chest expands. The mummy doesn't fight, it surrenders and heals. Result? You heal through stillness, you grow through decompression. The hibernating bear. Deep rest. Now the truth most lifters ignore. You can train hard, eat clean, but without deep rest, your gains die in the cold. The hibernating bear represents recovery. The bear doesn't grind, it retreats, it sleeps. In the cave, the body repairs and strength consolidates. When spring comes, the bear emerges stronger. The modern application. Muscle grows in the dark. Sleep spikes growth hormone. Hormones reset. The nervous system heals. Most men train exhausted and wonder why they stall. The law. Growth is born in the dark. The dose. 7 to 9 hours nightly. No screens before bed. Cold, dark room. Walk, stretch, breathe on recovery days. Result. You stop breaking yourself down. You start building yourself up. The 5 monster laws. The Minotaur. Stand and conquer. The iron statue. Hold and control. The werewolf. Grip and dominate. The mummy. Hang and heal. The hibernating bear. Rest and rise. Train with these laws, and your body won't just grow, it will transform. Legendary. Say it. I train like a monster. Tomorrow, it begins.